Hi guys, good morning. Oh hi, I'm Vidhi Jain, the founder of Ishkara, and welcome to our office. So today I'll take you all behind the scenes of what a day looks like in a small business. So let's go. So we are already late and it's 11:03 and courier guys are about to come and we need to pack all of these orders. It's already too late. So we are done printing all of these orders and these are the orders we have received today. So now we'll move to packing all of these orders. So here we have now segregated the orders. So like these are from Myntra, all of these are from Nykaa Fashion, these are Meesho's orders, these are from our own website. So after taking out the products from the inventory, we keep it down here segregated in all of these so that we know कि customer ने क्या order किया है, and then we move it to the packing station that is outside. Apart from the product, in every order we send Tulsi seeds. This is an initiative we've been following since day one of starting our business in 2019. Being a business, we do know that we generate a lot of plastics in our packaging and in every forms. So this leads to a lot of waste that is generated. So just as a small initiative, we thought of adding this gesture with every order so that you guys can plant it in your homes and this promotes a greener environment. So it's 1 p.m. and we are already late in packing these orders because courier wale aane wale hai. So I'm helping the team in packing all of these. And now we'll segregate all of these orders into different courier companies for pickup. So let's go. So it is 1:47 p.m. right now and finally our packaging is done. Now moving on to the next part of our day. So finally सारे shipments dispatched हो चुके हैं and we're done with the order. So I'll just take you all through how my desk usually looks like every day. So I have all of these bills that I need to clear. As usual, a life of a small business owner. These are my medicines that I need to take daily, which is sad. But you guys should focus on your health. Don't neglect your health. This is one advice I would like to give every business owner who is just starting out. These are some of the jewelry pieces that I have to check for our upcoming launch that is due in a couple of days. So these are all of our festive launches for the wedding season that is going to come up. And yeah, today we finally got all of these parcels जिसका हम बहुत time से wait कर रहे थे. So quickly let's see what's inside. Okay, so finally our palm cuffs have arrived and this is a must-have for the wedding season. We literally got more than 100 messages to restock this and a lot of people have been waiting for this to arrive. Many more such products are restocked on our website. Oh, so guys, हमारा shoot का time हो गया है and now I have to get ready for our festive collection shoot जो हमारी website पे launch होने वाला है. So let's go. So guys, I've just changed into my outfit for the shoot and now our very own in-house makeup artist Khushbu will be doing my makeup. So अब हमारा shoot start हो रहा है and I'm just trying out the pieces that I'm about to shoot. So starting up with the first one. And here we have arranged all of the pieces that we are yet to shoot today. So guys, finally our shoot is done and we are wrapping up. If you want to see more of such festive pieces, then go to our website. बहुत सारी new collections आने वाली है, so make sure you don't miss it. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and comment if you like the vlog. Next video mein I'll be sharing my journey of how I started Ishkara as a 18-year-old college student to where we are now. So stay tuned for that. Bye bye.
दीदी आप चीनी ज्यादा कर रही हैं।